SDK.finance. Let's take a look at a practical example of editing our code. Let's say we want to add a new field to a form, for example, an IBAN field. To do that, we'll go into the code, open the relevant form, and copy an existing field so we don't have to write everything from scratch. Let's set the prop attribute to IBAN. This tells the validation system which field it's working with. By setting the vModel to form.iban, we make sure the input is bound to the correct property in our form object. Next, we'll add the IBAN field to both the form object and the validation rules so everything works as expected. Now we'll go to the TypeScript interface definition and add an optional IBAN field so the form object is correctly typed. Here in the template, we're updating the label and placeholder to use I18N translation keys. Then we check the form in the browser. As expected, the text doesn't appear yet. So now we open the n.ts file, which is our I18N localization file, and add the missing keys with their translations. After refreshing the page, we can see that everything is now properly translated. Both the label and the placeholder show up as expected. Now I'm scrolling through the code to double-check that everything is set up correctly. After submitting the form, I can see that an event is emitted to the parent component. So let's open the parent component and take a look at how this event is handled. In this case, it triggers the logic for adding a new pool bank account. Then I check where the API call is defined and how the form submission is wired up to it. Back in the browser, I go ahead and fill out the form with some sample data and submit it. In the Dev Tools, we can see the request payload, and the IBAN field is right there, which means everything is working as expected.